Welcome back to my channel, Wagwan. So in this video I'm going to show you how I prepare cashew banana drink. So cashew banana, you can just wash them and remove the seeds or the cashew and eat them just like an apple. These are extremely sweet. Some are not that sweet, but these are extremely sweet. Or you can just wash the bananas, remove the seeds, and cut them up and blend them with a little piece of ginger. I use filtered water to blend the cashew bananas and the ginger, and I use just a little bit of water because I want like 95% juice and 5% water. It's all about quality and not quantity, so I don't want to water it down. I strain twice, once using a strainer and then using a piece of clean cheesecloth. You can use a clean dish towel. This will get rid of the pulp entirely. The cashew bananas that I use, as I mentioned earlier, they are extremely sweet. So I did not add any form of sweetener to it. Just give it a good stir. Yeah, man. So there are some cashew bananas that are not that sweet, and you may want to add a little bit of sweetener to it. You can use your favorite sweetener, whether you want to use honey or you want to use granulated sugar, or you can sweeten with sweetened condensed milk. In that case, do not use ginger. Also, you can add a little bit of nutmeg and a little bit of vanilla if you use the sweetened condensed milk, and it will now taste like, well, similar to soursop drink, right? Really heavy. However, because it is so hot in Jamaica right now, I am going for something light and refreshing, so I use just the ginger and no sweetener because it is naturally sweet. These are really sweet, and it tastes, when you use the ginger and the sugar, if it requires sugar, it tastes a cross between orange juice, pineapple juice, and June plum juice. Really refreshing and nice. Very underrated. Try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Walk good until next time.